what to buy and how to grow dill seeds for your herb garden. What are dill seeds? Dill seeds are the dried fruits of the dill plant. Dill seeds are a culinary spice that is used in many dishes, such as pickles, salads, and sauces. Dill seed is also used for medicinal purposes by people who want to relieve digestive problems or sore throats. The dill plant, also known as dill weed, is an herbaceous perennial that can grow up to 3 feet in height. It produces yellow flowers that bloom from July to September and has a strong aroma. The seeds come from the fruit of the plant and they have a peppery taste with a slight sweetness to it. The use of dill seed dates back thousands of years when it was discovered by ancient Egyptians who used it as an herb for medicinal purposes. In modern times, they have been found to be effective at relieving gas and cramps. Dill seed is also an essential ingredient in many German sausage recipes, where it is called dill pfeffer. Before we share where to buy, and how to grow dill seeds with you, please plant your thumb on the subscribe button. It allows more people to hear about this kind of information. Okay, let's get growing. What are some benefits of dill? Dill is a plant that you can grow in your garden to help improve the taste of your salads. Dill is an herb that has a mild peppery flavor and it can be used in many different dishes. Dill is often used as an ingredient in salad dressings and sauces because of its distinctive taste. It can also be used as a garnish for soups, stews, and even mashed potatoes. If you are looking for something to spice up your dish, dill is a great option. How do I know when to plant dill seeds? Dill seeds should be planted in the late fall or early winter. If you are planting them in the spring, they will not grow well because they need to be planted when the temperatures are cooler. The dill plants need a lot of sun, so make sure that you companion plant them near tomatoes or other crops that require at least 6 hours of sunlight per day. Planting dill is also a great way to deter pests from your garden. What kind of soil is best for growing dill? If you want to grow dill, it is important to make sure that the soil pH balance is right. Dill grows best in soil with a pH level of 7.2 to 7.5. You can use a soil testing kit to find out what kind of soil you have, and then add lime or sulfur if necessary. The best potting mix for gardening is one that has a good amount of peat moss, perlite, compost, and other organic material mixed together. Ensure it is well draining and slightly acidic. Dill requires next to no fertilizer to grow. What are the steps to planting dill indoors or outdoors? Dill grows best in full sun and cool weather. Soil should be moist and well drained. Seeds should be planted 1/4 inch deep and 2 inches apart. The plant can grow up to 3 feet tall, so make sure there is enough space for the plant to grow. The seedlings should be thin to 12 inches apart when they are about 6 inches high. Pick the dill flowers when the plants are blooming. Harvest fresh leaves and stems as and when needed. How long does it take for dill seeds to grow? Dill plants grow fast from seed and take as little as 4 to 8 weeks before the plant is mature enough to start harvesting. Once the plant has 5 or 6 leaves you can start harvesting, but only take a third at a time to ensure your plant continues to grow and provide a continued supply of fresh herbs. To buy dill seeds, click the link in the video description below. Thanks for watching.